Hola, bienvenidos a Lightspeed Spanish. I want to share with you this book that I've just received through the post from somebody called Esteban Sutón. And it's all about, the entire book is about the Spanish cocina y comida. Hablamos de todo en la segunda parte. So I've been having this ongoing conversation with Esteban about this book because he said, would you like to see it? Could I send you it? And I said, yeah, no problem. So he sent the pre-published format, and we had a look through, and I gave him some suggestions, etc. And what surprised me about the book was the amount of information on food. This has everything that you would need to know about Spanish cuisine. It's absolutely chock-a-block. But it's nicely done because it has explanations, and then it has tests to test and to help you to build up your vocab. It's a kind of book I think you could take the vocab out and put that into an online app to help you to build up your vocab. But just working your way through it would also help to build your knowledge of Spanish cuisine. So I'm just looking at the index, and it's got stuff like utensilios, herramientas, ingredientes básicos, verbos clave para cocinar. So it's got lots of vocab building, but also it's got grammar in action, like el presente y los imperativos, which is used a lot when they're giving you recipes. And often they'll use the imperative, sometimes they'll use the third person plural, and also they use the present tense. Tú. You do this, you do that. On page 65, it talks about platos típicos del mundo hispano. Okay? So it's not just about Spain, it's about the whole Spanish-speaking world. And we've got things like la paella de Valencia. We've got ceviche from Peru. I don't know what that is. I've never tried that. Arepas. I've heard of these from Venezuela. Tacos from Mexico. I used to live there. I know all about tacos. I've had tacos in every position. Empanadas from Chile and Argentina. And also here as well, empanadas are very, very famous here in Spain. Gazpacho from Spain. Mole from Mexico. Yeah, I had that. That was lovely. Tamales. I've also had that from Mexico and Centro America. Tamales. Eat one with care. Never eat two. I found that out to my peril. I ate two, and then I wasn't able to move for about a week and a half. Asado. Argentina is famous for their asados. In fact, Argentinian restaurant, when you go in, you're going to have meat. There's going to be a lot of meat going on. And then he finishes with the tortilla española. So lots of information about food from all over the world in every Spanish-speaking country. So this book is now available on Amazon for those people who really want to get into Spanish cuisine and learn the vocab and maybe learn some ingredients and some recipes. And obviously improve your Spanish. So there you are. Se llama Dentro del Idioma, and I'll see if I can find the link and I'll put it there for you to find him on Amazon. Bueno, interesante este libro y es un trabajo enorme que ha hecho. Por eso estoy hablando de su libro, porque él ha trabajado muchísimo en este libro. No es un libro cualquiera de 3 piezas de información. No, está lleno de información. Bueno, suerte, Esteban, suerte con tu libro. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego, chicos.